Hi there. Morning. My name is Brad Ketchel. I'm the CEO and founder of Ketchel Axle Systems, and here today we're going to talk about the eRHINO. First, to really understand the advantages of the eRHINO, we need to understand the commercial truck market. So today, currently, there are multiple OEMs all producing a very small volume of electrified vehicles. Now, when we're talking commercial trucks, we're talking Class 2B to Class 8. So just some context, Class 2B would be like a GM 2500 pickup truck. So a lot of the urban, small, last mile delivery vehicles are Class 2B, 3, and some are Class 4. So what this does is this creates the inability to develop a high efficiency powertrain system because of all the variations in all these vehicles. So what we've done here is we've developed the eRHINO. So the eRHINO is a fully voltage agnostic powertrain system that will package into any Class 2B to Class 8 vehicle. We've currently packaged this in 13 vehicles today. And what we do is we maintain this highly engineered section here in the center, and we change the arms out to mate with the current vehicle suspension that's there today. So this would replace the beam axle in any vehicle. We would bolt this up, and it's the motor, gearbox, and parking system is all integrated into the eRHINO. So what that does is it allows us to get this highly engineered volume up to drop the cost. And if you look at the compact design, so the coaxial nature of this has the motor centered on the axle shafts. And what that does is it allows us to package in a Class 2B vehicle while handling Class 8 vehicle loads, but also it makes a very optimized structure. Because it's such a large diameter as well, and just the natural load carrying capacity of this large cylinder, we can also use aluminum. So we're by far the lightest powertrain system on the market, and by far the highest efficiency powertrain system on the market. So if we were to put this into a vehicle today fielded by, say, Mack Truck or Navistar, we could eliminate about 18% of the batteries right off the vehicle to maintain the current range of the vehicle just by swapping out the powertrain. Then the powertrain itself is about 300 kilograms lighter. So if you add these mass savings up, we get about 1,000 pounds of savings across the vehicle. And what it also does is it opens up package space in between the frames for more optimized battery packaging. It's really this that sets it apart from all the other powertrain systems on the market. The supply base, we get the question of how do we compete with the big boys? Well, we've got Nidec, who's the largest motor supplier in the world, is our motor supplier that designed our custom bespoke motor for the eRHINO. We've got our motor controller or inverter is Danfoss, that's a production unit. And then we've got all custom internal designs with the exception of the differential. The differential is a production Dana diff. So when we put this all together, it's really the system architecture that makes this thing special. And the fact that we can increase the efficiency, lower the battery capacity, and the powertrain itself, once we start to get small volumes up a little bit, we can save over $20,000 on the bill of materials for OEMs and vehicle manufacturers for an electrified truck. So the eRHINO is really the heart of the vehicle, and this is the system that's going to unlock medium and heavy duty commercial trucks. That's my presentation for today. Thank you very much.